Logo, Beltone. Text, insert batteries in BTE hearing aids. 4 types of Beltone hearing aids are displayed, along with their accompanying batteries: Mini BTE with battery model 312, BTE with model 13, Power BTE with model 13, and SP BTE with model 675. A demonstrator picks up the model 675 battery and removes the sticker on the back. The battery is activated when the sticker is removed and the zinc inside is exposed to air. The demonstrator swings the lid open on the corresponding SP-BTE hearing aid. He inserts the battery into the lid and swings the lid shut, clicking the latch. The demonstrator repeats this process on the Power BTE, BTE, and Mini BTE hearing aids. After a full minute, the new batteries will absorb oxygen and activate. Logo, Beltone.